You are watching the photo show. We taking pictures, here you go.
This is what every photographer needs to master before it's too late. If you're still relying on auto mode to do all the work for you, you're making a big mistake. Trust me, you're missing out on a lot. And no, it's not what you think. The camera doesn't always get it right. So stop relying on auto mode to do the work for you. By the end of this video, you'll know one skill that you need to master before it's too late. Auto mode might seem safe, but here's the truth. It's gonna limit your creative abilities. You're letting the camera make all the decisions, shutter speed, ISO, aperture, and it doesn't always get it right. Ever wonder why some of your photos look like trash? Overexposed, blurry, or dull? That's auto mode failing you. For demonstration purposes, I'm shooting on auto with a manual lens, and I'm gonna take a picture of this tide pool right here on auto, and then take a picture of the tide pool on manual. Those are the auto examples. Now, let me show you the manual examples. So on manual, you can control what f-stop you like, and got way more control than what auto thinks you should be shooting. Those are the examples on manual. Let's keep on walking and get some more example shots. Example number 2, let's get some more auto shots and some more manual shots and compare and contrast each one. So right here we got a lagoon. It's kind of low tide. So you got rocks exposed and seaweed. So I want to play around and get some different angles using auto, and then same angle on manual. Probably gonna walk out closer to the water, get the city in the background or the Golden Gate Bridge. It's also high noon, so harsh sunlight. Can the auto handle that, or is manual gonna win? Let's find out. You start out with auto mode. All right, got a few in auto. Now it's time to switch to manual. Try some vertical. All right, the test still continues. Let's move closer to the water. And now let's switch over to auto mode with the same composition. That's it for those examples. Knees are barking. FYI, I feel like I say this every video if you haven't seen any previous ones, but you don't have to crouch down to get this shot. It's painful, but you gotta do what you gotta do to get the shot, and switching up different angles helps you out. So you could get the low angles with like a tripod, setting it up. Unfortunately, this screen only flips up one direction, so I can't swivel it around and get those angles and actually see what I'm shooting. So let's get a few more shots, comparisons, and then call it a day for this one. And if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's keep on going. So what's the one skill every photographer needs to master before it's too late? It's learning to take control of your camera, getting off auto mode and shooting on manual. This is what separates a casual shooter, a true Jedi photo master. When you shoot manually, you'll control the outcome. You decide how much light enters the lens, how much motion is captured, and how sharp your image might look. Mastering manual mode gives you the power to capture your vision exactly as you see it. I get it. The manual mode can feel intimidating. So many settings, so many ways to mess up. Shooting on auto messes you up big time. Don't get reliant on it, and switch this dial to manual mode. This is gonna boost your photography and take your creativity to the next level. Start simple. Focus on these 3 settings: aperture, shutter speed, ISO. Practice controlling each one and watch. For example, you want a blurry background. Use a low aperture, like 2.8, or as low as your lens allows. You want to freeze motion, use a fast shutter. And if you want a guide on mastering manual mode, check out the link in the description for my free cheat sheet. Remember, your next great shot is waiting for you to take control. If you're ready to ditch auto and start shooting like a pro, hit that like, subscribe. Let's go.
Hai là soi của em hai.